Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple and tasty starter recipe. We're going to make Paneer Manchurian. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe I've taken about 400 grams of paneer. So I'm just going to cut it into pieces. Now you can cut it into cubes or a little longer. So I'm just going to cut it a little longer and get a nice different shape. So you can see the size. This is something that we can do for this Paneer Manchurian. So if you don't like this, you can always cut them into cubes. So just keep the pieces aside. So the next step is to make the batter. For this, to a nice wide bowl, add 2 teaspoons of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. So I've taken about 4 teaspoons of corn flour. So the corn flour should be a little more than Maida. Next add about half teaspoon of salt, a little pepper and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. So just mix everything and now we will gradually pour some water to make the batter. So you don't want it too runny. So it should just be right, so it just coats the paneer pieces. So now the batter is ready. So just drop all the paneer pieces into the bowl. So carefully mix all the paneer pieces along with the batter. So you can also dip them before deep frying and then you can do that as well. So I've mixed all the paneer pieces with the batter. I'm going to keep this aside. For deep frying the paneer pieces, to the kadai add enough oil. So once the oil is hot, start dropping the pieces one by one. So just make sure you drop them separately so they don't stick to each other while deep frying. So just maintain the flame on a medium high and just fry the paneer pieces just for a couple of seconds and you can take them off. So don't deep fry the paneer pieces for too long because they can become hard. That's something you need to make a note of. So you can see it's got a nice coating on the paneer pieces as well. So just fry the paneer pieces in batches. So now we're going to start making the Paneer Manchurian. Take a nice wide pan or a wok. Add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Next add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Just saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of chilli powder or you can also use chilli paste instead. Next add half teaspoon of pepper. Just give it a quick mix. So you can also use chilli sauce if you don't want to use the chilli powder. So we're just getting it a little spicy here. So once that's done, now I'm going to add half cup of tomato ketchup and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. So just mix everything. So this is going to give you that nice thick sauce. So just maintain the flame on a medium, otherwise it can burn the sauce. So this nice sauce is coming together beautifully. Now I'm just going to add a little water. So just cook this for about a minute or so. So after about a minute, I'm adding half cup of diluted corn flour slurry. So it shouldn't be too thick. I've just added about 1 small teaspoon of corn flour and mixed it with water. So this is going to give you a nice gravy or saucy consistency. Now if you don't want it saucy or you don't want too much of gravy, you can make it into a nice dry Manchurian. Let this simmer for about a minute or so. So you can see the sauce has become nice and thick. Now is a good time to add the paneer pieces. Just mix that in. Wow, just look at that. The sauce is coating the paneer pieces so beautifully. This is a very simple dish. You can see how easily we've made this and the flavors are just amazing. So for all those paneer lovers, you're definitely going to enjoy this and it makes for a nice perfect starter as well. So finally I'm going to add some spring onion whites and also add a few spring onion greens. So you can turn off the stove at this point. Just mix everything together. So this delicious Paneer Manchurian is ready to be served. So now I'm going to taste this Paneer Manchurian. It looks absolutely delicious. It's coated with that nice sauce. It looks really juicy. I can't wait to take a bite. So you guys go ahead and try this recipe while I enjoy my Paneer Manchurian. So there you go, here is this delicious Paneer Manchurian that you can enjoy as is, or you can serve it along with some nice noodles or fried rice. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description, you can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.